calculation, how to do the loading calculation. So again, since we have decided that whether it is a one-way slab or two-way slab, we will be designing a wide strip, that means a strip of slab having 1 meter width. And so that's why we are taking this into consideration for loading calculation. So self weight of slab based on the information which we have decided in the previous steps. So self weight of slab per meter length we can calculate just like one way slab. So W dead load we can say it is calculated based on the assumed dimension in the previous steps, and the unit weight of a concrete, or better we say unit weight of a RCC, that we generally take 25, and capital D will be the overall depth of the slab, and the V width is the 1 meter. So we can calculate the dead load in units of a kilonewton per meter square. Then load of niches. If information is available in the statement, then no issue. We can take directly the same value. But if finishing load is not provided, then we may refer IS, it is IS 875 part 1. It was wrongly written IS 857. It is 875 part 1, which can be referred. And similarly, live load on the slab, if it is not provided, again here is you have to make the correction, that is 875 we can take, and part we can refer, that means IS 875 part 2 we have to refer. So from that information in part 2 or information available in the statement, we can take live load in the form of UDL, that is in the unit of kilonewton per meter square for 1 meter strip of having 1 meter width. So ultimately total factor load we can calculate, that is WU, which will be equal to sum of dead load, that is self weight of the slab, then weight of the finishes, and live load whatever we, and we are multiplying it with the